So today I'm gonna do a holiday get ready with me tutorial. So I'm gonna do my makeup with a quick holiday tutorial that you can use this look for if you want to go out for the Christmas, if you want to do anything for the holiday season. So that's what this look is going to be dedicated to. So if you want to see how I get that look, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start with the Anastasia Dip Brow, and this is in the color Ebony. So I'm going to start with my brows first. I don't know why I'm still out of breath. I feel like I'm wheezing for my breath, which is weird. But I'm going to start with my brows like so. I'm just using little strokes. As you can see, I don't have that much brows. I have a little bit of brows. So it's kind of easier for me to do this look or these eyebrows because I don't have much eyebrow hairs to go by. So this is pretty much my brows. I just put them like that. So these are my brows. And then now I'm gonna just put a little bit of concealer, which is the ColourPop and Dark 45, and I'm gonna just put this on my lid so that it gives my lid a little bit of color. I'm gonna use this as a primer. Sometimes I use this as a primer, or I'll use the eyeshadow primer. It kind of all depends on what I'm wanting to use that day. So I just blend this in on my eyelid. So I'm kind of just deciding right now what kind of look I'm going to do. So you guys are just watching as I create, because I really don't know what I'm going to use or like colors or anything. So yeah. So I'm going to start with the Anastasia Alyssa Edwards palette, which is this. I'm going to start with the colors The Supreme and HOE, Ho, which is a weird name, but I'm going to start with that. And I'm putting that on my lid. And I'm going to use like a plain eyeshadow brush. I'm going to use this Sigma Tapered Blending E35. I'm going to put that all in my crease, like so. This is going to serve as my transition color. So that's going in my lid and my crease. So that's my crease color. So this is going to be like my platform for like just my crease and just a transition like I just said. And then I'm going to use the color, still trying to decide. So I'm going to start with the color Anaconda, and this is from the Artist palette from Anastasia. So I'm going to start with that on my outer tear duct, like my outer part of my eye. So I'm going to do this color out here. And you're just packing it on. And I usually do my eyeshadow first because usually there's some fallout and I don't want it to get on my foundation or my whole face. So I'm using this as my outer color. So I'm just putting that on my lid. And then for my inner part of my eye, I'm going to use E55, which is the eyeshadow brush from Sigma. And I'm going to be using the color Inspire from the Alyssa Edwards palette. I'm going to be using this glitter one right here. And I'm going to just put this in my inner tear duct. So I'm just putting this on my eyelid. And then I'm going to go back in with the green color that I was using, which is Anaconda. Because I want the green to like stand out a ton. So I'm just putting a little more. Just because I want it to kind of like pop on my eyelid. So I'm putting this on intensely on the outer corner of my eye. As you see, I have some fallout here. This is why I do eyeshadow first before my face makeup, because sometimes you have a lot of fallout. And then put in the gold, more gold color, the color that I just used from the Anastasia Alyssa palette. So I'm putting this in the inner, and I'm blending this out so there's no harsh line. And then I'm going to do the other eye right now. So I'm going to do this eye, and then I'm going to come back on camera and you guys are going to see me do my face makeup. Okay, so my eye makeup is done. My lashes are on, if you can see. So now we're going to move on to the face. So for my face, I'm going to first use a primer, which is the MAC Fix Press Prep and Prime. And I'm going to spray this all over my face, just like that. I'm going to use my foundation by Makeup Revolution, Conceal and Define F13. Just going to put some on my face, just like that. And then I'm going to use my Sigma 3D HD Kabuki brush to blend everything out. Blending everything out. So I filmed a couple of vlogs, but I haven't been able to edit them My computer's been giving me, my laptop has been giving me like a lot of problems. I think I'm gonna have to wind up getting a MacBook or like a desktop because my computer can't really handle all the videos that I'm trying to edit and with the space and stuff like that. So I'm running into a problem. But I have been filming, I have been vlogging, but I'm having trouble like editing everything, so I'm trying to like get that together. So I was like, let me just film a look today so that you guys can know that I'm like still being active on here because I am filming. I'm just having trouble uploading. So hopefully you guys will be able to see this video and everything works out. So that's my foundation. For concealer, I'm going to use ColourPop No Filter Concealer, the same concealer that I used to prep my eyelids. So I'm going to put that underneath my eye to hide the bags because I have a lot of them because I have 2 kids and I never sleep enough. And I'm going to just do like so. Blend it out, and I'm going to use my Airspun loose powder all over my face so that this sets my foundation. Like that. Then I'm going to take my Park Avenue Princess Tarte. This is going to be my bronzer. Now I'm going to put my blush on, which is my Anastasia blush palette that I usually always use because this is my go-to palette. I love this blush palette so much. I can't believe it's so dark outside already. I hate the winter because it gets so dark so early. I can't believe it. So that's on, and then I'm gonna use my highlight palette, which is one of my favorite things to do, which is highlight because I love highlighting. So putting that on, and I'm using the Nicole Guerrero highlight palette in the shade 143. And then I'm gonna blend this out a little bit because I kind of put a lot of highlight. Blend that out. And then I'm gonna finish up my bottom lash line since my makeup look is done, and I'm gonna put some of this gold. Just like so. And that's on. And then I'm going to set my face, which I'm using the Dewy Set from Anastasia. This is going to keep my makeup in place for a couple hours so that it doesn't budge. And then I'm going to use my lipstick, and this is Sarafina from Anastasia, and it's a red lip. just like so. So my liquid lipstick is on. I'm just fixing this up a little. And this right here is my final look. So this is my full face. This is my holiday simple look for Christmas. And I hope you guys liked this video. I went through all the items that I used in this video, except for my lashes, which are Salon Perfect 614, these ones. And for my liquid eyeliner, I used my favorite liquid eyeliner, which is Man Eater from Tarte, to do my wing. And that's about it. For my eyelash glue, I used Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, and this is the clear one. So I put that for my lashes. So this is my final look. So if you guys really like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this. I would greatly appreciate it. And leave a comment down below if there's something that you want to ask me or tell me, or just basic comments. I'm open to hearing anything that you guys have to say. So just leave it down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.